Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security and tap on screen lock. Select one of those login methods by tapping on the chosen one, like pattern. Then you need to enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here, pick one of those options. What do you want the lock screen to display? I don't want any notifications, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap done at the bottom right corner. So now when I go back, turn off my screen, now turn it back on. I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!